Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for Facebook page. So first step you need to do is to open Facebook application, click on your profile picture and you simply need to switch to your page. So now I am on my page, click on your page icon here, there is profile picture of your page, click on your page, click on three dots and here you can see complete detail. So you simply need to click on your page link that is now copied. Go back and open any browser and search here free QR code generator and you can find plenty of different websites. So I'm going to select any of the random. So make sure you check all and find the best one for you. So here you need to enter your website or text. So add link, click on generate QR code. So now it is okay. Then you simply need to download that and you can share that with anyone. So this is the process how you can generate QR code for your Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.